Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all having a fantastic day so far. And I'm so excited because guess what? It's officially summer. And what better way to kick off the summer than to make some lemonade? So let's get started. So for our pineapple lemonade, we have here a 46-ounce jar of pineapple juice. I have here 1 cup of lemonade. I have about 4 slices of lemon, and I have 2 cans of Sprite. I also have here 2 cups of water. So let's get started. So to start off, I go in with my cup of lemonade and follow up with my Sprite. Next, I go in with my water. And I stir. At this point, you can just drop in your slices of lemons. So here we have it. So quick. And that's it.